People talk about readiness like it's a switch that flips one day. Like you wake up and suddenly feel prepared, confident, and certain about what you're doing. That idea sounds good, but it doesn't match real life. Most of the time, nothing changes internally before things change externally. You don't feel different first, you act, and then your mind catches up later. Waiting for that internal shift is one of the easiest ways to stay stuck without realizing it. What usually happens instead is quieter. You hesitate, not in a dramatic way, you just delay. You tell yourself you'll start when you understand things better, when you have more energy, when the timing improves. None of those reasons sound wrong, which is why they work so well. Days pass normally, life keeps moving. From the outside, nothing looks broken. Internally, though, momentum slowly drains away. That's the dangerous part. Stagnation rarely announces itself. It feels reasonable. It feels responsible. It even feels smart. You convince yourself you're being patient, when in reality, you're avoiding discomfort. And the longer you stay there, the harder movement becomes. Not because the task changed, but because your tolerance for uncertainty shrank. Confidence doesn't appear before action. It's built through exposure. The first few times you do anything that matters, it feels awkward. You feel unqualified. You question yourself constantly. That doesn't mean you're not ready. It means you're early. Familiarity is what removes fear, not thinking. The mind adapts after repetition, not before. Most people misinterpret discomfort. They treat it like a warning sign instead of what it actually is. Unfamiliar territory. New situations feel threatening because your nervous system hasn't mapped them yet. Avoiding those situations keeps them feeling dangerous forever. Engaging with them, even imperfectly, reduces their power. Fear shrinks through contact, not analysis. A lot of people believe they're stuck because they're missing something important. More motivation, better discipline, clear direction. Usually none of that is missing. What's missing is movement. Thinking feels productive because it creates the illusion of progress without risk. Action removes that illusion and replaces it with reality, which is why it's uncomfortable. Experience teaches faster than planning ever will. Small attempts expose flaws quickly. Reality corrects you in ways thinking never can. Nothing becomes clearer while standing at a distance. Clarity is earned by participation. Effort still matters even when confidence is low. Progress doesn't pause just because you feel unsure. Work done without enthusiasm still counts. Steps taken while doubting yourself still move you forward. Discipline isn't about intensity or force. It's about returning, coming back after hesitation, continuing after disappointment, choosing to act even when stopping feels justified. This is where most people fall off, and it rarely looks dramatic. They don't quit loudly. They just drift. They tell themselves they'll come back to it later. They wait for conditions to improve. They assume motivation will return on its own. Conditions rarely change without pressure. Capability changes through use. Showing up consistently matters more than how you feel while doing it. Energy fluctuates, mood changes, progress responds to presence. Growth hides inside repetition, and repetition feels boring while it's working. Momentum starts awkward. It feels unstable, almost insignificant. That doesn't mean it's weak. It means it hasn't had time to compound. People think confident individuals feel certain all the time. They don't. They're just less dependent on feeling prepared before acting. They move with incomplete information. They tolerate uncertainty. They stop negotiating with hesitation. Confidence becomes the result, not the requirement. There is no moment where everything aligns and gives you permission to start. No signal appears to confirm the timing is perfect. Understanding follows action, not the other way around. Waiting to feel ready only extends delay. Direction doesn't require belief. It requires motion. Move anyway.